Where are you going with that macaroni and cheese?
I'm not playing fetch with a food bowl. No. It's not happening.
What? Oh, you're gonna bring me the bully. Okay.
Joey, that's not for you, buddy. You already had dinner.
What the fuck? Come back here. Give me the.
Thanks.
Lou, help me. Lou, help. Are you?
Excuse me, Miss Lady, did you climb into that bowl? That is not for sitting, it's not a jacuzzi.
Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat?